fellow YouTuber. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's been a long time, guys. Here come here the JP at the truck stop trying to get fuel. Man, it's been rough, guys. This is my first day this week. Today is on the 5th. It's election day. And yeah, I haven't been running, guys. No loads at all, guys, for months. So I don't know, hopefully maybe this is the beginning. I don't know. Just getting fuel right now. So hopefully maybe things gonna pick up. So yeah, we'll see how it's gonna pan out. Today's gonna be my first day. Almost like 2 months, guys. I haven't been working. It's been rough. Anyway, let's get some fuel here and see. And then on top of that, I had a breakdown when was that? A couple weeks ago. I had only like one load. I went on the road. My compressor went out. I spent like almost like $3,000 because I didn't go to a mechanic. They had to come to me. So when you do that, they charge a lot of money. The money that I didn't even have, I had to borrow the money. Can you imagine? And then next day, I didn't have a load. For like 2 weeks now, I've been sitting at home, nothing to do. So yep, oh well, I got fuel now, so let's see. Maybe this is gonna be the beginning of good days ahead of us, right? I hope so. Alrighty, later. Yo, here we are, guys. We are here in Nostell, trying to pick up some chassis. As you can see, got a lot of chassis right here, and that tells you one thing, that a container business is slow. We haven't been moving at all. That's why they stuck up all these chassis right here. All these chassis are supposed to be on the road, but yep, they're all here. Why? Because there's no work. So I got one here. So let's see here, inspection was done in April, should be good. So yeah, I got one here, so let's go and try and run this load. Hopefully maybe we'll have another one tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And already. Guys, we are here at Nostell. Yeah, we are trying to, what are we trying to do? We're trying to get the box, trying to get the load. So let me check in. Let's see here. Let's check in. There we go. Scanning the barcode, and we should be good. They're gonna tell us where our load is gonna be at, and then we'll just go to the station to get the box and get out of here. My appointment is at 11 o'clock this morning. It's gonna take us maybe an hour and a half. It depends with the traffic. It could be 2 hours. I'm going to Winder, Georgia. So we'll see. Okay, there we go. You just let us in, and yeah, I'm going to spot number 109. That's where I'm going to be getting the box from. So let's go there. Already. have the crane here now, so maybe hopefully we should be getting the box just now. I think so. I think it's getting my box. So hopefully I'm gonna be the lucky person today. Woo! Let's wait and see. There we go, guys. That's me right there. That's my box right there. Woo! We are working today, guys. Well, thank God, right? Got a load. There it is. Woo! What was that? I think the train is moving somewhere there. But yeah, we're getting our box right now. You see it? They're lowering it slowly by slowly. Just trying to be careful. Better not break my truck. Okay, let's see here. Still lowering the box. There we go. We got the box, guys. Let's go lock the box and off we go. Nice. Let's lock the box. Well, let's go to work. Let's go to work. Isn't this weird, guys? You have the equipment, but you have no loads, no work. Oh, you got trucks and you're just parking them, man. You know, because there's no work. Here we go. There we go, and we are ready to go. Let's. done, guys. Yep, I brought back the chassis. As you can see, there are a lot of chassis right here. I think that tells you something, that tomorrow we might not have loads. Because normally what happens is, if you have a load next day, they want you to keep the chassis. But if I'm bringing back here, then chances are that I might not be working tomorrow. It's crazy, guys. Look at it. Where are the loads at? My goodness. I don't know. It's time to change. It's time to look for something else. Because this is not working. For sure, this is not working for us, man. Oh man, what's the point of having a truck if you're not running, right?